Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netflix on your TV. Enter the code and watch step by step clearly. Turn on your TV and make sure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Press the home button on your remote to open your TV's main menu. Find and open the Netflix app, or install it from your TV's app store if it is not installed. Wait for Netflix to load until you see the sign-in screen. Select Sign In on the TV screen. Choose the option that says Sign In from Web or Activate with a code if you see it. Look for the activation code shown on your TV and keep that screen open. On your phone or computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type netflix.com/activate and press Enter. If you are asked to log in, sign in with the Netflix account you want to use on the TV. Carefully type the code exactly as it appears on your TV screen. Double-check for correct letters and numbers, because the code is case-sensitive on some devices. Click or tap Continue, Activate, or Submit on the website. Wait a few seconds while Netflix links your TV to your account. Look back at your TV and confirm that the Netflix home screen appears. If the TV does not update, select Try Again on the TV and re-enter a new code on the website. If you do not see a code option, choose Sign In and enter your email and password using the on-screen keyboard. Use your remote to move between fields and select Next or Sign In. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option on the website to reset it. Make sure the date and time on your TV are set correctly in Settings if activation keeps failing. Restart the Netflix app by closing it fully and opening it again. Restart your TV by turning it off, unplugging it for 30 seconds, and turning it back on. Restart your router if your internet connection is slow or dropping. Update your TV software and the Netflix app if an update is available. If you use a streaming device, repeat the same steps inside the Netflix app on that device. After activation, choose a profile so Netflix uses the right recommendations and settings. Search for a title, press play, and adjust subtitles or audio from the playback menu if needed. Sign out from Netflix settings if you want to switch to a different account later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.